state of war West Bengal. Poll-bound Bengal also found a mention in Prime Minister's Rajya Sabha speech. Prime Minister Modi has launched scathing attack on the TMC, accusing it of protecting infiltrators and saying that courts are being pressured to save the infiltrators. He's also claimed that the Mamata government in Bengal only cares about power and not people. The attack came hours after Mamata Banerjee became the first serving chief minister to argue in the Supreme Court as she sought an intervention in the SIR of electoral rolls, alleging that West Bengal was being targeted. Now, TMC has hit back at the Prime Minister over his speech, asking whether he called over 1 crore SIR-affected people of Bengal infiltrators. The party also accused the Prime Minister of using foul language, stating that stopping infiltration is the centre's task.
जरा खुद तो अपने गरेबा में देखें, निर्मम सरकार पतन के जितने भी पैरामीटर्स हैं, उन सब पैरामीटर्स में नए नए रिकॉर्ड बनाते जा रहे हैं और यहां उपदेश दे रहे हैं। क्या हाल करके रखा हुआ है? ऐसी निर्मम सरकार से वहां के लोगों का भविष्य अंधकार के अंदर डूब रहा है, लेकिन इनको कोई परवाह नहीं है। सत्ता सुख के सिवाय कोई आकांक्षा नहीं और वे यहां उपदेश देते हैं। घुसपैठ, दुनिया का समृद्ध से समृद्ध देश भी अपने यहां गैर कानूनी नागरिकों को बाहर निकाल रहा है। हमारे देश में घुसपैठियों को बचाने के लिए अदालतों को तब तक प्रेशर पैदा किया जा रहा है। मेरे देश का नौजवान कैसे ऐसे लोगों को माफ करेगा जो घुसपैठियों की वकालत करने के लिए ताकत लगा रहे हैं? और घुसपैठिए मेरे देश के नौजवानों के हक छीन रहे हैं, उनकी रोजी रोटी छीन रहे हैं।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi rarely comes to Parliament. When he does come to Parliament, all he does in his speeches is target the opposition in foul language. That's all the Prime Minister can do. Use foul language to target and somehow try to defame the opposition. Mr. Narendra Modi is talking about infiltrators when it comes to Bengal. Why does Mr. Narendra Modi not realize that the borders of India are the responsibility of the Home Ministry? It is the Home Ministry that is responsible for India's borders. The Border Security Force falls under the Home Ministry. Governments will work when governments are aware of realities, not when the Prime Minister is busy changing his clothes several times a day.